So hello everyone, friends in general. I want to shoot a short story about the cable for the Lightning Background Company.
Для фона Lightning, да? Фирмы вот такого вот бренда.
Here is the dispute in general was bought to charge the iPhone and in general.
Для зарядки айфона. И, в общем, Quick Charge даже
Even
такой же.
supports sleep data cable. That's how it was in such a beautiful box. Focus O.
Ну, фокусируйся. Во. И
And after some
через
time,
какое-то
it
время,
generally
в общем,
stopped charging.
прекратил заряжаться. Ну, прекратил работать ни на одном айфоне.
It generally does not work now. I'll show you now. I'll plug it into the power supply.
Блок питания.
I turn on the phone and nothing is written. Unlock the iPhone to use accessories. That is, it sees that now.
Написано разблокировать iPhone, чтобы использовать аксессуары. То есть он видит, что сейчас я вам
In
поближе.
general, it sees that something is inserted into the phone. Let's unlock. It still does not charge, and even if it is too close.
Но зарядки не идет, и даже если он слишком близко. И если включишь на разблокированный iPhone,
Nothing happens. You see, I don't know what the matter. Worked in general and charged well with a
не
normal.
знаю, в чем дело, работал, в общем, он хорошо, заряжал, все нормально было, это не мой, это кабель племянника, пришлось.
Give him mine, but also not original. But at least it works. I don't charge constantly, and I don't have a charging cable.
Не стало у меня кабеля зарядного. В
In
общем,
general,
решил
I
я,
pulled it out, thinking, damn, where can I get it?
где взять-то.
I have a set of original cable, headphones, and charger in the box from this phone.
В коробке вот от этого телефона.
Next year, I will change it to iPhone 8 Plus.
iPhone 8 Plus.
In general, about trading. But this is, how to say it, such information.
Информация такая. На
For the future, in general, let's try this one. I pulled it out of my airports where now.
Сейчас. Вот.
You've already seen the video. Normal. There were, of course, some problems with it. In order, not yet working so far, as they say, no problems, this one with them in the box, the cable went too.
Провод шел.
In general, I have never known if it works. Let's check, of course. It's all a matter of your own fear. The risk of using non-original, non-certified
Неоригинальными, не сертифицированными
goods, but let's do it together if something is bought. To be honest, I have never checked it myself. It's scary even.
Я сам не проверял. Страшно даже. Но
But
как ни
oddly
странно,
enough, even on a locked iPhone, it charges. As you can see normally, that's how it is. I don't know right who has.
нормально. Вот такие дела. Не знаю. Напишите, у кого есть
There are similar cables,
подобные
similar
материалы,
companies.
фирмы.
Aspire. It was not bought in China, but Chinese, of course, probably. It was not bought in China, but in a regular store. Yes, there are electrons. They sell all kinds of electronic equipment. That's how it is. I don't know why.
Такие дела. Не знаю. Почему-то
It
работал,
worked,
один
and
прекрасный
one
день
fine
просто
moment it just stopped charging, and that's it.
перестал заряжать, и все.
It's not clear what's wrong with it. It looks like a normal cable without any damage.
Повреждений. Ничего нету. Вот. Еще
I'll check this behind the scenes whether any power is going to it at all. What?
такое питание, что
I checked the contacts with a multimeter. Maybe it really is just a factory defect. A break a month has passed. It just...
Вот уже месяц прошел, да, он только что
Broke down. I don't know if I should take it back to the store if I still have the receipt. I don't know if they'll change it, return the money. I have no idea. Please write in the comments who has already tried it, what time it's been.
2 or 3 months, and how the sellers in your stores return or exchange.
Low quality products. And that's it. That's all. Bye everyone. See you soon.